Kani kadai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakani kasi ke bakado jong ke Dorban Mang Tengka, jong ke Jela Meghalaya, haka katsau terik mentau benai leber arja kat kendai. Nakaliang wei niki MLA narilom garo, kata narongra siju constituency urakam esangma. Ulabu jingkeli yakatnat Forest and Environment halor ke jing penrongkam haki kerdan baper nadu usnam kat kendai spa prapau hadu usnam kat kendai spa kendai pusan habal pakram National Park Division.
So I want to inquire from the Minister in charge of Forest, sir, as from the reply from 1980 to 1995, 36 employees had been appointed on temporary basis, and it said that 30 out of 36, 30 number of employees has been regularized. Sir. May I know, sir, which year this happens, sir, regularization?
The date of regularization I didn't have with me, sir. I required notice, sir.
So one more thing, sir. I would like to inquire from the Minister in charge, sir. Out of 30 employees, how many of them got retired and pension, sir?
Out of 30, one have retired and he has received pension, and another one is two have retired and received pension, and one is resigned.
Sir, as per the data, information that with me, there are 5 numbers of staff who are still alive, but they are retired, but they are yet to get the pension benefits. And out of there are 3 staff who has been retired and they passed away, sir. So and one more letter on 2018 9 July, it is said from the department said, sir, pension benefit is not visible to some of the employees, sir. So may I know of all this in detail, sir?
As I have mentioned, sir, of the 30 employees who have been regularized, 2 have been retired and pension benefit have been given, and 1 is resigned. So the employee who have not been regularized, 1 have expired on the 21/06/2017.
And sir, one more last question. If I would be glad if you could kindly give me the list of the staff who have been able to pension benefit, and which are the staff that yet to get the pension, sir.
So the staff who have received pension benefit is Sunil Santi Sangma, game watcher, and Binoy Sangma, game watcher. These are the employees who have received the pension, and others, they are still in service.
One more question, sir, I would like to add. I want to name of the staff, sir. May I know the status of these employees who have been died already? Mr. Sontus A. Sangma, Mr. Sontus A. Sangma, Mr. Bogaram A. Sangma, and Mr. Sonjit D. Sangma, Mr. Arvid Sot Armadi, other staff, sir, who have been retired already, and some of them has been died already, sir, but yet to get the pension, sir, till today.
You see, sir, the question is related to this Balpakram National Park. Maybe, sir, maybe those employed in Balpakram National Park, but they have been transferred from the other range of the department. So, because as per the record, the employee who have been appointed by the Balpakram National Park Division is, as per the list which I have been informed, sir, as per the main question.
So I want to make one note, and my humble request is, sir, there are staff out of 36 number of staff, and many has been expired, and some of them has got a pension, and some are not. And there are some staff, sir, who have been appointed on the same date in 1980. From the same appointment order, some of them got pension benefit, who have been expired, and some are yet to, even though they have expired also. So one of the staff who have expired on just before our election, he said, sir, I should have, because some of the staff who have expired, they have got pension, but that particular staff, he was about to expire, and I think he said, sir, I should have expired earlier because I'm not getting the pension till today. But sir, very unfortunately, after making that statement, he really expired after 1 month. He was my uncle, and he was a great VP of Late Captain Sangma, sir. So there are problem this way, sir. I think it's my humble request, sir. I think this issue should be looked into very seriously, sir. This is the pending for so many loans. It's my humble request, sir. This issue should be looked into, sir. And they have deprived after getting the service for so many years, sir. I think we have deprived their privilege, sir. Thank you, sir. My humble request, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as I said before, that the one who expired is have not yet been regularized as on the date of his expire until date also. So this is included in the 6th number of the employees which have not been regularized. So from the department we have tried to find ways and means how to regularize them, but this is not, we cannot do only with our department. We have to consult the other line department which have been like the personnel, and also that this I cannot say right now. So we will try our best to do how to see that the interest of the employee is being served.
Last questions are here on this. There are staff, I know 2-3 staff, sir, who had been expired before their service has been regularized. But after their demise, they have been able to pension to some of them, sir. I think the same privilege should be given to all of them, sir. My humble request.
You please look into this.
I want to supplement my friend regarding this Balpakram National Park. Just one clarification: these 36 employees were appointed in Balpakram National Park. Can Minister tell in the House the category of these employees, the grades?
Tushar K. Paul, Range Assistant; Clement S. Marak, LD Com Typist; Srimati Victoria C.H. Marak, LD Assistant; Srimati Maitri Sheila G. Momin, Range Assistant; Shri Lenus N. Marak, Forester 1; Shri Harkinstone R. Marak, Forester 1; Shri R. Richson K. Sangma, Forester 1; Motilal P. Marak, Forester 1; Ayer Sound N. Marak, Forester 1; Witness M. Marak, Forester 1; Beethoven N. Sangma, Forester 1; Mickerson R. Marak, Forest Guard; Tarzan Sangma, Forest Guard; Liubert M. Sangma, Forest Guard; Mickerson D. Momin, Forest Guard; Parbin Stone D. Marak, Gateman; Benarson K. Sangma, Gateman; Marison N. Marak, Gateman; English Stone D. Marak, Gateman; Jakish Sangma, Gateman; Rafael R. Marak, Gateman; Hirendro Sangma, Gateman; Kennedy A. Sangma, Gateman; Sunil Son T. Sangma, Game Watcher, retired; Binoy Sangma, Game Watcher, retired; Nichol CH Marak Kim Watcher resign, Weatherson Marak Office Chokidar, Multhun and M Marak Office Chokidar, Ronjon N Marak Office Pion, Habelson T Sangma Dakrana, Levetson R Sangma Gedman, Santosh A Sangma Gedman, Predison D Sangma Kim Watcher died, Omritho Sangma Kim Watcher, Metherson R Marak Kim Watcher, Shisankar Malik driver.